Today I'm gonna show you how to weave in ends in Irish crochet motifs, such like outstanding crochet flowers and a branch over the padding cord. We run the end under several stitches, then reverse the direction and weave it back under several more stitches. Changing the directions keep the yarn more secure. Leave at least 4 inches on the end to weave in securely. If you only weave the end under a couple of stitches, it will not be secure. Irish crochet motifs over the padding cord, which you see in this tutorial, have such a nice and convenient ribbed edge, and it's easy to insert and push the needle this end through. Follow the link below for detailed written pattern on how to crochet outstanding flower and branch, while free tutorial is coming soon. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. These motifs can be either separate appliques or elements of any design, like my Irish crochet top Flora.